Hello everyone. Suppose you are looking for a specific sales quotation which you had created or your team member had created. How to find that? For that, go to the quotations module. Now under document, select sales quotation or SQ. You get an option to filter through creation status or conversion status. You can choose sent, received, draft, or under conversion status, you can choose all, pending OC, converted to OC, or cancelled. Now, if you remember the quotation number, you can simply type the quotation number here. For example, I'm typing this quotation number. It will filter out and give me the result. So this is how I can locate my sales quotation. If you do not remember the quotation number and you remember the company name, you can simply type the company name here. And you can locate the sales quotations accordingly, as it will shorten the result, so it will be easy to locate. You can also search through total amount or created by. Now, if you remember the last few digits of your quotation number, you can simply type the number here. This also gives you the result. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.